Hello everyone, I hope you all are staying safe at home. Today we are going to see the second part of the chapter, which is chapter number 11, and which is a poem, that is I Would Like to Meet an Alien. In our previous video we have already seen the three stanzas of this poem, how the poet is getting crazy to meet with an alien. Let's see what he wants to say more in the fourth stanza. In the fourth stanza, the poet says, he could be colored black and white or yellow, red and green. He might be awfully dirty or meticulously clean. Now, the poet says, I don't mind if the color of the alien would be black or white or yellow, red or green. I don't mind. I just want to meet him. And he says, he might be awfully dirty. Awfully means बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत बुरी तरीके से. Awfully is an adverb, students. So he says, I don't mind if he would be awfully dirty, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा हो रहा, तो भी I don't mind. Or he would be meticulously clean. What do you mean by word meticulously? Meticulously means thoroughly, मतलब बहुत completely, deeply. If he is completely clean also, I don't mind. The poet is just want to see and meet an alien. He don't mind either he is of any color, either white, black, yellow, red or green, and even he don't mind if he is completely clean or completely dirty. Okay, again students, in this stanza also there are two rhyming words, and that are green and clean. Okay, very good. Let's see what the poet wants to say in the next stanza. In the fifth stanza, the poet wants to say, I would like him if he whispered, and I would like him if he yelled. I would like him if he used perfume or positively smelled. Okay, so in this stanza, the poet wants to say, I just want to meet him and I would like him in any way. I would like him if he is, if he used perfume. Okay, if he is using perfume, still I like him. Or he smells dirty also, still I will like him. Or I would even used to like him if he whispered. What do you mean by whispered? Whispered means muttering, मतलब बहुत फुसफुसाना, धीरे से बोलना. Or I would even like him if he yelled. Yelled means चिल्लाना. So the poet say, I want to meet him in any way. Either he whispered or if he yelled. Even I would like to meet him if he is using perfume or positively smell, means absolutely smelly. I just want to meet an alien. Oh my God, the poet is getting crazy. He just wants to meet an alien. But why does he want to meet an alien? We will see that at the end of this poem. But see the enthusiasm, see the energy. He don't mind whatever kind of alien it is. Whatever is the color of an alien, whatever is the shape of his face, how his skin is, how he speak, does he yell, does he whisper, doesn't matter to an poet. He just wants to meet an alien. Let's see what poet wants to say more in the next stanza. In the sixth stanza, the poet wants to say, it wouldn't matter much to me if he was soft or scaly, or if he danced the rumba or played the ukulele. So, yes, in this stanza, the poet is saying, I don't mind, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me means, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter to me if the alien is soft, means very soft, like, many cats, dogs, they're very soft, right? Or scaly. Scaly means covered with scales, little kind of a rough kind of a skin. It doesn't matter to me. Or if he danced the rumba, which is a Spanish American dance. Rumba is a kind of a dance. It's a genre of dance, like how we say, we have seen salsa, hip hop. In the same way, rumba is also a kind of a dance form. And he says, even I don't mind if he played the ukulele. What is an ukulele? Okay, it is an musical instrument. Like how you have seen guitar, like piano and all that, same way ukulele is also a kind of a musical instrument which is a four-string instrument, like somewhat like a guitar, but it is a Hawaiian guitar. Hawaiian guitar because it has been originated from Hawaii. So he says, I don't mind if my alien would be, dancing a Zumba, or if he is playing the ukulele, or either he is soft or scaly. I don't mind. I just want to meet him. Oh my God. Let's see in the next and the last stanza why the poet wants to meet an alien and what kind of alien he is thinking of. Are you all enjoying this, students? And can you just tell me which rhyming words came in this stanza? Can you just tell me? Okay, guess it is, yes, it is Kelly and ukulele. Okay, let's see in the last stanza. The last stanza, the poet says he could look like an lizard or be furry and mammalian. I would simply like to scare my mom by bringing home an alien. Oh wow! In this stanza, the poet says, I don't mind if my alien look like a lizard. I hope you all know what is a lizard. And if he would be furry. Furry means you must have seen many animals like sheep and all. They all are furry, right? So, or he could even look like a mammalian. Mammalian means like a mammal, like a human being. I don't mind how it looks. I just want to meet an alien. I just want to bring an alien my home because I want to scare my mom. Oh wow. So we got the answer. Why does the poet wants to meet an alien? The poet wants to meet an alien because he wants to scare his mom. Oh my God. Isn't that so funny, kids? I hope you all have enjoyed this poem and completely understood it. And you also know this, that Ken Nesbitt is a funny poet writer, right? Such a funny poem he has written. Right, kids? Let's see what he wants to say more in his next poems, that we are going to learn more poems. I hope you have understood this poem completely, thoroughly. What is a rhyming scheme? The rhyming scheme is a pattern of using the rhyming words at the end of each line of the poem. Okay. Now, how do we label a rhyming scheme? We label the rhyming scheme by using the alphabets like A, B, C, etc. Okay. Let's start with an example. Let's take the first stanza of this poem, that is, I would like to meet an alien. Yay, wouldn't that be neat? I am sure there is not another creature I would rather meet. Okay, let's see the first four line of this poem and the last ending words of this poem. So the ending words of this stanza are in the first line the ending word is alien. In the second line it is neat. In the another line it is another, and in the last line it is meet. So the first word, which is alien, okay, it is the first word, so we will mark it as A. Okay, now let's see the next word. The next word is neat. Does the alien and neat giving you the same sound? No. So because the sounds are different, we will mark neat as B. Okay. The third word. The third word is another. And the previous two words were alien and neat. And even the another word is not giving the same sound like alien and neat. So we will mark another as C. Okay. Let's see the last word. The last word is meat. Does meat is similar to any of the words used before? Yes. It is giving us the same sound like the word neat. And as we have marked the word neat as B, so even the word meat we will mark as B. So it means the words which are giving us the same sound we will also mark with the same alphabet. So if we talk about the first four lines of this poem, so the rhyming scheme will be A for alien, and the second word was neat, it will be B. The third word is another, it will be C, and the last word is neat, which is again B, because it is meat, so again it is B, because the neat and meat is giving us the same sound. So the rhyming scheme of the first stanza is A, B, C, B. I hope you have completely understood this. Let's see today's homework. Today's homework is the remaining stanzas of this poem. You have to label the rhyming scheme of the remaining stanza. How I have told you about the first stanza, in the same way you have to complete all the remaining stanzas. Thank you. I hope you all are staying safe. Take care.